Good morning, children. Now I am going to take English for you. So, if you have English textbook, please open that one and open page number 31. See, in this book, they are given some conversation about a teacher and a boy. Read that one. Listen carefully. Excuse me, may I come in, sir? Yes, but why are you late, Ravi? I am sorry, sir. I missed the bus. That's all right. Please come in. Start a bit early tomorrow. Yes, thank you, sir. It's okay. So, this is a conversation about a boy and a teacher. So, that boy is coming and asking, excuse me, can I come inside, sir? So, the teacher told, yes. He is asking for that boy, why are you late? So, that boy name is Ravi. So, that boy is saying, sir, I am sorry, I missed the bus. The bus did not get in. I did not catch the bus in the time. So then the teacher will say, okay, that's all right. Please come in. From tomorrow, you come early. Leave the home early. So the boy said, yes, sir, thank you, sir. So the teacher will say, it's okay. Now here there is a poem. The poem name is Be Healthy and Wise. I'll read the poem, listen carefully. The cocks crow in the morn to tell us to rise, and he who lies will never be wise. For early to bed and early to rise is the way to be healthy and wise. Go to bed early, wake up with joy. Going to bed late makes Jack a dull boy. So children, you will be hearing in the morning that hen will be shouting. So what the hen will make sound? Cock-a-cock, it will make sound, no? Like that. When the morning, when the sun rises, the hen cocks will be shouting. So it will tell us to rise early. So we must get up early in the morning. And who will be sleeping, he will be never wise. So he must, in the night, he must go to bed early, and in the morning, he must rise or get up early. So when you get up early and when you go to bed in the night early, you will be healthy and you will read nicely and your health will be fit. So when you go to bed early and you wake up and morning you get up early, no, then you will be happy and you will feel joy. So when you go to bed late means you will be dull and you can't read anything, you can't eat anything. Okay, children? So you must get up in the morning, and if you get up in the morning, you will be healthy and wise. Okay, children? So I'll read once again this poem with spellings. Listen carefully. TH the COCKS cocks, CROW crow, IN in TH the MORN morn, TO2 TELL tell, USS TO2 RISE rise, AND HE WHO who, LIES lies, WILL will, NEVE or never, BEBWISE wise, FOR for EARLY early, TO2 BD bed, AND and, EARLY early, TO2 RISE rise, ISEs TH the WAY wave, TO2 BEB, HEALTHY healthy, and WISE wise, GO go, TO2 BD bed, EARLY early, WAKE where, UP up, WITH with, JOY joy, GOING going, TO2 BD bed, LATE late, MAKES makes, JACK jack, ADULL dull, BOY boy. The cocks crow in the morn to tell us to rise, and he who lies will never be wise. For early to bed and early to rise is the way to be healthy and wise. Go to bed early, wake up with joy. Going to bed late makes Jack a dull boy. Next page. So find another word that ends in the same sound for the following words. So rise means another word you must find and write. Next is joy. Now I'll ask some question. Do you get up early every day, children? Yes, we get up early every day. Have you heard the crowing of cocks in the morning, children? Yes, some children will get up early, no? So they will hear that one. So which bird do you like most, children? So we like peacock because it is very beautiful. No, children? Next, look at the pictures and write 3 sentences about each of them. So one is done for you. So in the morning, the sun rises in the east and it will be very cold and you will have breakfast in the morning. No, children? In the morning, sun rises in the east and it will be very cold and we will have breakfast in the morning. So next, noon means afternoon. So what you will do? So it will be little hot and we will eat our lunch in the afternoon. No, children? So it will be very little hot and we will eat the lunch in the afternoon. No, children? Next, evening. So what you will do in the evening? So the sun sets in the evening and it will be very cold and we will have snacks in the evening. No, children? Next, look at the pictures and write. See, they given some questions. This is a conversation about John and Misha. So John will ask for Misha, what time do you get up? So Misha will answer, I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Next, what time do you go to school? So this John will ask for Misha that what time you will go for the school. So Misha will answer, I will go to school at 8 o'clock in the morning. Next, John, how do you go to school? So again John will ask for Misha that how will you go for the school? So Misha will answer, I will go to school by school van or by walk. Okay, children? So when will the sun rise? The sun rises in the morning. And where it will rise, children? So it will rise in the east. So it will be very cold and we will have breakfast in the morning. So in the afternoon it will be little very hot and we will have lunch in the afternoon. So in the evening, the sun sets in the evening and it will set in the west and we will have snacks in the evening. Okay, children? So once again, I will read the poem. The cocks crow in the morn to tell us to rise, and he who lies will never be wise. For early to bed and early to rise is a way to be healthy and wise. Go to bed early, wake up with joy. Going to bed late makes Jack a dull boy. Children, any doubt, children? So, in the next class, I will give you notes. Okay, children? Thank you.